welcome BitMonger family. Monger with you here today. Hope you guys are all doing well. And in today's video, I'm going to do a quick look around my crib. You guys can see a little bit about my beautiful garden where I'm living. The stonework that they just did. They just cleaned all the stonework around my crib. Came out really nice. I'm really happy about that. And I'm also going to be talking a little bit about a recent correlation people are making with ETF, the Russel 2000, and how we might want to play that if you believe in it. And based on history, oftentimes they say the Russel 2000 ETF front runs Bitcoin, crypto, and such. So we'll be taking a quick look at that to see whether or not we might want to be making a bet on that, because it is experiencing some breakout levels. And you can see here, got a little koi pond, the crib, my office. Yeah, they did a pretty good job. I'm pretty happy. They're going to be painting the house. They're having the whole house painted this Sunday. Got a great deal on that. It's going to cost me a total of only $400. You heard that right. Only $400 to paint the whole outside of the house. And it is, 135 square meter home. And they're also going to paint the ceilings in both the bathrooms. And this is my little piece of paradise, man. It is, it's nice and chill. Very nice and chill. My neighbors are usually never here. And I also got this whole side of the green zone of this side of the house is my property as well. And my wife's got lemongrass and chilies and spicy basil and the papaya tree growing back there. We also got some kaffir limes, which is really good for Thai cooking. And yeah, man. So this is the pad, and I am going to get into the video right away. Oh, the landscapers, I have guys that come here and take care of the yard. They just recently chopped up all the ferns along here, and in another week or so it'll look even nicer. All right, so let's get into it now, guys. So like I was saying, a lot of people are now correlating the IWM, the Russel 2000 ETF. We're going to take a look at it now. And they're correlating this one with, basically, with how altcoins and Bitcoin runs. And they're saying that this is generally front runs Bitcoin. So if you believe Bitcoin's going to get, this is about to front run Bitcoin. And as we can see right here, this is a long, looking at this long term cycle here. We can see this is going all the way back to 2020, and it is breaking, hit this all-time high back in November 21, and it's breaking it now. So what I would recommend is, if you believe that this is going to happen, is that it's a 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio. On this breakout, I would be looking at taking a move of 27%, move to the upside, and the downside risk is 6%. So it's a 3-to-1 ratio, risk-reward ratio, and I think that was at, if I calculated this breakout, it went up to right around $307 is what I would be targeting, guys. On this upside move from here, you might want to look for this to come down and retest this and then turn that into an entry, because oftentimes what they'll do is when it breaks a resistance, sometimes it can just run, but oftentimes it will break it, it will come back down and it will touch it. I'm looking at the weekly chart, by the way, so we can move this on to a shorter term time frame. Let's see what it's done in the past, how it's handling in the hourly, and let me reset this. Okay, so we can see it broke it, it came down and it retested it, and now it is starting to break up. So this is looking pretty positive, guys. You might want to nibble on this, and if you see it drop below this yellow line here of 244, so maybe put your stop loss just below, maybe around 240, 242, just in case it does come down and shake people out again. You could put it down there, and your upside target price would be 310. All right, there you have it. That is something that you guys might want to be considering if you're trading this market and you believe that the Russell 2000 front runs crypto. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Monger out.